Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on CapCut. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the CapCut 3D photo trend on TikTok. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the CapCut app on your device and tap New Project. Select 11 photos to create this effect. The 3D zoom doesn't work on live photos or videos, so only select photos. When done, tap Add. So select the first photo and tap Style. And select Zoom 3D. When done, repeat the process for the rest of your photos. Now crop the first 4 photos to 0.5 seconds. Just drag the sidebars to crop. Then crop the remaining 7 photos to 0.3 seconds. When done, tap Add Audio. Tap Extracted. Now select the TikTok video that you saved and extract the audio from it. Finally, export the video. And that's how you do the CapCut trend on TikTok. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.